Okay, this task is moving files from your computer to a website. Okay, so the first thing is you're going to need to start your FTP program. The one that I use is called Fetch, and the settings for the FTP username and password are in the process document. So if you go ahead and open that up, and you can get that information to set up your Fetch program. And then the very first thing you'll do is go to the FTP for the DiosanaGroup website. Okay, once you get it set up, you just need to select that. Right now, we're going to be moving a document that belongs to the process subdirectory, and you can tell that it's there because of two reasons. One, check out the path. It's going to the Diosana group, and then it's going under files. Everything that we transfer is going to go under the file subdirectory, and specifically to the process. Okay. All right. And the reason we want to do this is because we want it to show up on the website. All right. So this is a document that I just modified, and look at these two segments, 03 and 04. If you go to Safari and you actually look up the processes subdirectory, 03 and 04 under miscellaneous do not exist. Okay, so this is the newest one. So we're going to go ahead and save as web page. Okay. So the original you're saving on your home computer, and then you're going to move it up to the original to me.com first, because that's the original. Now watch the extension change. It should change in a second. There it goes. Yes. And see the extension change. Now you need to get out of it, because otherwise you'll lock it up. And then you go to the subdirectory where you saved it, actually. Okay. And there it is. It's modified today. Okay. What's nice about Fetch is that you can do a drag and drop to your window on your computer, folder window on your computer. You can drag and drop directly onto the FTP, and you can see the dog running, and you can see it moved. Now, what you need to do is refresh that page, and hopefully you'll see it there. There you go, 3 and 4. Now the next thing is you're going to need to go into me.com and upload the file. And the reason you have to do that is because you uploaded it to the process subdirectory, but the me.com is the original. Okay. So you're doing two uploads. One to me.com, so it shows up on my computer and I can review it, and then the other one is to the actual website, so it's updated. So go ahead and go into iDisk. Okay. And here I'm using Firefox to do this. Then I go under Documents and Processes, and then you can see that's there. I do not believe this is drag and drop, so let's see if that works. Drop it from here to here. What's it doing? I don't know if I get dragged to drop that, so let's try it again. Processes. Okay. Upload a file. Okay, so you're gonna have to actually do this piece. Okay, choose files to upload. Choose. Okay, and then go to the place where you have it. We'll have to wait a little bit. So again, what you're doing is you are copying it twice. You're going to copy it. So These are the ones we just modified. So we select all of them. I guess you can't do all that. Okay. And then reply to all, replace. It's going to upload both. Okay. And now, when I look at my computer, I should see an updated version of it. Okay. It doesn't make sense in this context because I'm on my own computer. And that's all.